At least 44 people have been killed and over 100 injured in an explosion during a rally organized by an Islamist party in Pakistan. The explosion, which occurred in the northwest Bajaur district, is believed to be a possible suicide attack. The motivation behind the attack is unclear, and investigations are ongoing. The local branch of the Islamic State group has claimed responsibility for previous attacks in the area. The rally was held by the Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam-Fazl, JUI-F party, a major religious political party in Pakistan.